Imagine waking up to discover that you have $1,000 in your wallet, and this $1,000 was given to you by a crypto project. That can only happen in crypto. So crypto could be the ticket to your financial freedom, and it all starts with having an exchange, with understanding what an exchange is, and how it works, and how you can be using an exchange to make money in crypto. So in this video, I'll be showing you the best exchanges that you should consider using, learn why they are the best exchanges, and how you can start using this exchange, one of them, in this video. So we'll be looking at what are exchanges. In this video, we'll be looking at what are exchanges and what are their benefits. Then we'll look at the top three exchanges that we have, the top three exchanges by my categorization, why they are the top three exchanges and what they are. Then I'll be looking at a step-by-step guide on how you can start using an exchange, how you can start using an exchange in this video. All this will be unpacked in this video. So the first is, what is an exchange and what are the benefits of an exchange? Okay, so an exchange is a platform, a crypto platform where you buy, where you sell, and where you trade cryptocurrencies. Now, I will explain in such a way that it will be clear. Now, a crypto exchange is like a marketplace, but instead of buying and selling yam, instead of buying and selling goods, okay, physical goods, what you do is you sell crypto, like you buy Solana, you buy Ethereum, you buy Bitcoin, you sell Solana, you sell Ethereum, you sell Bitcoin. That is what a crypto exchange means. It's a digital marketplace where you buy, you sell coins, and where you also convert, where you also trade, you convert, okay, your money, you convert it to crypto, and you convert crypto to your money. So what are the benefits of an exchange? An exchange, it gives you that ability to move money to any, it is borderless. So an exchange gives you the ability to make transaction to any country, and it is so fast and efficient. Take for example, I want to send money to China and I'm using an exchange. This will not take me up to 5 minutes. Compare this to a traditional bank that it will take me many days before the transaction goes through. So doing transactions on exchange is is super fast, and and is very efficient. So that is a very good benefit. And the next benefit is, it's the fee that an exchange charge you for processing transaction is very low compared to traditional banks. Imagine I'm sending $1 million to somebody. The fee that way actually will be lower than doing sending fiat to that person. Now the reason is because on exchange, there are no middlemen on exchange. Okay. Now, but when you are dealing with traditional banks, when you make a transaction, that transaction has we have to go through many processes, many intermediaries, and at every stage there's a fee that it is attracted. Now, at the end of the day, your money is reduced. The money that you send to another party is reduced drastically. So that is why one of the benefits of an exchange is that it gives you that platform to make very inexpensive transactions. Like the fee is ridiculously very low and very cheap. And also, crypto exchange is a platform that empower people to be financially free. Okay, on crypto platform, you can become a trader, make money. You can make money through airdrop. You can make money through staking. Like it's a new way that Africans, that you can use to save your money, that you can use to make money, that you can use to multiply your money. So crypto exchanges is that platform that empower you to become to achieve your dream, to become the person that you dream to become in life. All right. So here are my three top crypto exchanges that based on my categorization, based on the reasons. I'm going to be listing them. One, we have Binance. Two, we have Coinbase, and three, we have Bybit. So I will talk about each and talk about why I think it is a very good, it's a top tier, it's one of the best crypto exchange in Africa. Now, whether you are from Kenya, you are from Nigeria, you're from South Africa or Ghana, these exchanges serve us, and you can use these exchanges, and you get the best result that you expect to get from an exchange. The first is Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the globe, in the world. Okay, now it's the largest, and it has a lot of features. Now, one of the features is that it has a platform where you can buy and sell, tokens, coins, okay, and that make it very good. And it also has a platform. It has both futures trading platform and it has spot trading platform. Okay, and one of the things that make Binance stand out is that it's one of the first exchanges to be created. And aside from that, it has a lot of coins. It has about 3,000 coins listed on the platform. So that makes it very huge. And another reason why Binance is an option is one of should be one of the exchanges that you use is because of the security of that platform. Binance has never been involved in a wide scale, hacking attack or cybersecurity attack. So it is a secure platform. It's the largest platform and it has a lot of crypto. You can buy any, the top, top crypto project or whatever that is in the industry. You can buy most of these projects on Binance. So that is Binance. Secondly, we have Coinbase. Coinbase is an exchange that, okay, one of the things that make Coinbase to stand out is that Coinbase is a publicly listed company. So it's a company that is listed on stock exchange. So like we have Amazon, we have Tesla, we have Google, we have Alphabet, we have all these companies listed on stock exchange. Coinbase is also listed on stock exchange on the capital market. So that means a public company, and because of that, it has A1, like it is at the forefront in compliance. So the company is highly compliant, the exchange is highly compliant, they comply with the government, with every government rules and regulations. Like there are rules and regulations that every company must follow, especially if you are involved in the financial industry. You must comply with these regulations and rules before you can operate. So Coinbase is a leader in compliance and regulations. They are also at the forefront of regulations that will help the industry to grow in a healthy way. So Coinbase is that company. So is that platform, is that exchange that you can use because it is regulated. Then secondly, Coinbase is also a very secure platform. It's a platform that you can use and you have this confidence, you have peace of mind because it is not a platform that is porous, that is vulnerable to hackers and attack. And also on Coinbase, you have both futures trading and you have spot trading. It has a variety of products that can be used. It also has product like staking, where you save your money and get returns for it. You save your coin and get returns for saving. Okay, so if you are finding this content helpful and educative, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, so that the YouTube algorithm can take it around and show it to people that need it. So the next one is Bybit. Bybit is my favorite because if you are an African, you should know that in Africa, the way we on ramp and off ramp in crypto is different from other parts of the world. I mean, the way you buy crypto and the way you sell crypto is different from other parts of the world. So Bybit is also a top exchange, and what makes this exchange to stand out is that it has a P2P platform. Now, aside from the fact that you can do other things that other exchanges have, like trading, okay, sports, futures trading, and the other conversion feature that other exchanges have. Bybit has a P2P, a functional P2P platform, a healthy P2P platform. Now, and the P2P platform is a big thing in Africa, in the Africa crypto space, or the Africa crypto industry. With P2P platform, you can change your rand, you can change your Naira, you can change your CDs into stable coins, and you can use that stable coin to trade and make money. And after making money, you can change that USDT, you can change it back to Naira, and you can change it back to CDs, you can change it to rand, or whichever fiat currency whichever country in Africa that you are in. So Bybit is that platform. I mainly use Bybit. But if you want to create account, register account on Bybit, check the description section. The description section, you see a link to download. You see my link. Take that link, click on that link, and you download Bybit application. That you'll be able to create account with Bybit Exchange. All right. How do you get started? Next, we look at how you get started. How to get started with Bybit. We use Bybit as the exchange that you create. How do you get started? The first step is to go to your Play Store or App Store, type Bybit Exchange. Now you see Bybit Exchange pop up. Then download it and create your account. Now sometimes it will require you to impute ID. Okay, ID, like you need to verify your identity. You may be required to provide driving license or national identity card. Okay, now provide it within 5 minutes. You should be done setting up the account. Once that is done, the next step is to go to P2P platform on Bybit. Go there. Now buy USDT stablecoin. Now that is the first thing that you do. You have to fund your account, your exchange account. Now when you go there, you find buyers. Then you include the amount of the amount you want to buy in Naira, for instance. If you want to buy 50,000 Naira, you put it there. Then you make payment to the person, and you have your USDT. The next step is to use that USDT to buy crypto. Use it to buy crypto, go to trade and use it to buy any crypto that you want. And here you have it. your exchange, you have Bybit account that you can use for P2P trading, and you can also use it to make money to do whatever it is that you want to do. All right, now for those that want to be making money constantly in crypto through trading, I have a course, and this course is on how to become a profitable crypto trader. It is called True Trade Profitable Trading. Now, the link is in the description section. Check it there. You see the link to buy the course, and you also have access to me for mentorship. And there's also a trading floor where I'll be guiding you with signals and other support, and we help you, we guide you to become a profitable crypto trader.